This is the assembly instructional video for the American style W1530 wall cabinet. The cabinet body and hardware are in the U-box, and the frame and door are in the other. So start with the U-box. Remove the back panel, side panels, top and bottom panels, shelves, and hardware box. Remove the frame from the other box and place it face down on a cloth. Screw cam lock screws to the pre-drilled holes on the frame, then place the side panels on the frame with the finish facing in. Place dowels in the top and bottom panel and install. Remember, make sure the finishes match. Screw through one side panel to the top and bottom panel and leave one side unscrewed for now, then place the back panel. Now you can screw the other side panel, ensuring all the pieces are flush on the top and bottom. Now tighten the cam locks on either side. Then place the shelf pins at your desired height and get your door from the other box. Screw hinges to your door via the pre-drilled holes, and we're going to install the door now. Make sure your door is flush to the bottom of the frame. Use cardboard spacers to prevent the door from pinching, then screw your door to the frame. Remember, you can adjust your door if necessary on the hinges. And here we have one American style W1530 wall cabinet ready for installation.